Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, the spot that I want to pick things back up is when we were covering the resistance here at 4,300, because you can see that the move up into it was pretty direct, and then we get right up into it and hold below. There's another session below, and you can see the better part of a week, give or take, was right there at the decision point of 4,300. But knowing that the index had that daily squeeze behind it, I've been telling you guys that there were higher prices to come. Well, now that we've exploded through the 4,300, getting as high as 4,485, what can you do with this? I'll give you that I think the S&P right here is difficult to call anything fresh on. I'm not going to be the contrarian trying to short it. And of course it is extended. So what you try to do inside that is find other equities that possibly have not moved yet. So as far as the basket that I like, I'm keeping TTD in focus here, right? I like using the idea that the daily chart looks bullish enough. I mean, it does need to get through about 78 is your current resistance. But then I like dropping down to find these 130 and 195 minute squeezes, as those can do a good job of helping propel prices higher. So again, not a whole lot I can do with the S&Ps up here, but I am going to be looking to buy TTD, and then I also like the prospects for Zoom, right? So this is another one of these situations where you can really see the distribution at 70. So whoever's sitting on 70 and just continuously selling that, if they can finally get popped up above that, I think it makes for targets up into 75 and then 78, hopefully shortly thereafter, if we can do it with some momentum on the heels of this daily squeeze. Right? So again, this is always the foundation of what I bring you guys in this work. The squeeze helps us look for the potential of directional movement, and I think that you've got a couple of good names to pick from there. So I hope it helps. Hope it's the free videos have been keeping you on the right side of the market. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.